This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the network and client ready. Plug into Ethernet and stop drive for desktop or backup and sync. This prevents file conflicts and parallel uploads that choke bandwidth. Once done, disable any VPN or proxy because routing adds latency and packet loss. Also close apps using uploads, torrent clients, video backups, so your browser gets full upload capacity. Now you have the prerequisites. Proceed to the focused upload method that reliably solves slow drive uploads. You should use a clean browser session for the transfer. Open Chrome in incognito mode to avoid extension throttling and navigate to Drive. Google, drag and drop files or use new then file upload. This uses the browser's HTTP pipeline, which is often faster than the sync client. For many small files, compress them into one zip. This reduces handshake overhead and speeds throughput. Make sure uploads are running. You'll see a progress bar. If speed stalls, refresh once, but do not restart the machine yet. You finish by confirming the upload succeeded and cleaning up. Once the upload completes, unzip if needed and spot check files to ensure integrity. If a transfer stalls, try uploading as a single large file. Many small files cause connection overhead and slow effective rates. Make sure you're within your ISP's advertised upload Mbps. Run a speed test. If speeds are far below expectations, call your provider. Often the issue is local provisioning or modem/line problems, and not drive itself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.